My video guide is about removing the browser scam that comes from the website Remindexpert.xyz. Remindexpert.xyz is a deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This website tries to trick its visitors into clicking on the special scan button. But when people do that after being scared about these faulty messages, they may be redirected to some other questionable sites that may promote a totally different software. At first glance, it looks as if these pop-ups are related to some well-known security program, but there is no connection between these pop-ups and that well-known security program. All these pop-ups are totally fake and you shouldn't interact with them. The pop-up says, "Security alert, you visited illegal infected website." This is a scary message, and definitely we strongly condemn the methods of scaring people into downloading some potentially unwanted software. So this website, Remindexpert.xyz, is absolutely fake, so you should not interact with it. Simply leave that page and don't trust it. I recommend you to scan your system with the reliable antivirus software. We recommend you to do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.